Hello, welcome to Dev Radio. We're talking about the Innovation Challenge with our friends from BITECON. A quick overview of the Innovation Challenge. We're trying to get 1,000 people at least trained up and certified to create AI solutions on Azure. And we're particularly focused on working with organizations that can help us train communities that are underrepresented in technology. And really important because we can't have a great AI platform unless we have a really diverse group of people using it and building on it. And we want to get as many people trained up as possible. And Tamonte, let me just turn it over to you. I reached out to you about 6 weeks ago with this idea, and you said yes. Tell me about BITECON and why you're interested.
Sure. So when I found out about this challenge, you reached out, I immediately thought how perfectly this aligned with BITECON's mission and goal to impact a pipeline of 1 million underrepresented and underserved people in technology, to engage 1 million people around upskilling in technology. So since that is our goal and our mission, we felt like this would be a great opportunity to help us reach our goal and helping get 1,000 people skilled up on Microsoft AI dev certifications credentials.
And you're a pretty skilled networker. You pulled in. We've got 3 outstanding trainers here. I've got the link to the information about everyone in the description below the video. Reggie, let's start with you. What are you going to be teaching people how to do?
So my whole thing is the AI 102.
Yeah.
I've been a Microsoft certified trainer for about 6-7 years now.
Yeah.
So part of the course going to be plan and manage an AI solution, implement computer vision solutions, implement knowledge mining and document intelligence solutions. So most of this is going to be someone that really trying to be an AI engineer. So some of the roles that behind that, or you have to do certification to build, manage, and deploy those AI solutions. So I'm really excited to be a part of the team. Really excited to start training people to become certified, and also just to get ahead in the technology world. So
let me turn it back over to Bobby again and try it. Let's try it one more time, Bobby.
Okay. My name is Bobby Russell. I'm going to be teaching the AZ-204 DevOps course. I've been a Microsoft trainer for over 20 years, and I've been working with Microsoft for over 30 years. My goal is to, because AI is becoming so prevalent, talk about how do we develop solutions around AI. You're going to need storage because AI doesn't provide persistent storage. So we're going to talk about developing storage accounts and shares and things like that. We're going to talk about Azure Functions. We'll talk about Azure Logic Apps. We'll get into application services and a lot more technologies. And it's going to be fun over the next few months in getting the challenge.
Yeah, that's the stuff. That's how you put it all together. Huntley, thank you for teaching people about this Azure technology. What are you going to be focused on for your training?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm also going to be focused on the AZ-204 exam. I'm in the development space as well, so I'm going to see how I can really try to get everyone excited about really learning how they can go from the development side of how do we integrate our applications with anything really AI, right? How can we leverage machine learning to its fullest? Because right now we have all this data and all our developers are just really trying to get our hands on it so we can try to make some sense out of it. And I think from the development side, it really is a real good opportunity for them to kind of get familiar with how do they actually plug and play with a lot of the tools that we have on the Azure stack, and how can they really take advantage of all this cool services that we have on the platform and really build an application that's leveraging machine learning to really, I would say, be productive or make their actual customer base productive. So that's what I'm focusing on.
Yeah, that's great stuff. And then, of course, I don't think I mentioned it at the beginning, but everyone who gets certified during this sort of 6 to 8 week tech intensive skilling sprint will be invited to compete in the hackathon that starts May 28th. And so everyone will get a chance to actually use the skills they're learning from you. The winning team, well, there'll be a $10,000 prize. And it'll give you, if you haven't worked in an enterprise developer environment before, it'll give you something to point to say you can do it. And also just to kind of understand what the job is really like, because you're always crushed for time and you're having to work creatively with other people. And I think just having the opportunity to build on Azure is a great thing. So I'd like to thank all of you for teaching people, and thanks for coming on the show today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks,
All right.
Thank you.